I know this might sound very crazy, right? But it's true. With just $3, you can become a millionaire in less than 5 minutes. I tried it, it works for me. So I'm going to teach you how you can become a millionaire with just $3. And everything will happen in less than 5 minutes. Come with me. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, subscribe, and turn on post notification. Let's go. So to become a millionaire with just $3, we are going to be doing some calculations. There is a currency called the Venezuelan Bolivar. This is VEF. Now, 1 USD is equal to 460,529 Venezuelan Bolivar, sorry. So if you times this by 3, you're going to get 1,381,587 in the Bolivar. Now, if you times this by 3,000, you are going to get 1,381,587,000. So, I was right. With $3, you can become a millionaire in Venezuela. And with $3,000, you can become a billionaire in Venezuela. I hope you guys are convinced and not confused. I wasn't intending to mislead anybody. I was just giving valid facts. And I'm going to be bringing up more awesome videos, guys. Please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and you turn on the post notification. Peace out.